Cleric. Good. Come southwest and spread.
Late na.
Just heal. Get some heals. Okay, look. Come northeast.
Doming, tabi ka lang, Doming.
Come northeast. Get some heals first. I'm not gonna engage until you get some heals, okay? Don't worry. Just get some heals. Just get some heals
Tabi lang
first.
yung malo HP.
Come northwest. Oh, careful there. Turn. Careful. Def. Holy shit.
Wala.
Help me, please.
Careful.
Oh my God.
Ito. Regroup me.
Trigger fast.
Regroup me.
Holy shit.
Freaking lag, holy
Hold. Look northeast deep. DPS, northeast deep in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast deep on me.
Ah, fuck.
Wait, spread now. No, fake. Get some heals. Trigger fast. Chu. Hold.
Rib,
Chill.
double KM na lang tayo.
Oh, sige,
Nabentahan
pwede.
kita.
Pabili ako.
Chill. Come northeast. Keep coming northeast.
Bigyan muna ng iba. Punta na ako doon.
Keep coming north. Ready to turn on the choke. Ready on the choke. Chill. Come back first. Come back. DPS, come back. Yo, help not Chris in front. Okay, chill. Push northeast. Northeast. Wait, keep coming northeast. Keep coming north. North. Deep on me. Wait, chill. Ready. North deep on me. North deep in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North deep on me. Okay, spread now.
Harap yung duty.
Heal inside.
Hindi kita may heal. Naka-life curse ako.
Chill.
Wait, chill.
Chill. Come northeast. Chill.
Map check yung mga ano.
Come north. CD, DPS.
Ready.
Okay.
Ah.
Look south. South to me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tommy. Kill. Come back northwest. It's okay. Come back northwest.
By time lang yan.
Regroup.
Ano na ako? Clear na, clean na ako.
Care BBP.
Come west. Chill.
Abot naman natin
Northeast, wait, chill. Come northeast.
Abot yan, abot.
Chill. Okay, kiting SW. Kiting SW. Kiting. Oh, wait. SW. Chill. SW. Chill. Kiting. Come south. Gear where?
BBP.
PSD na ako.
Okay.
PSD na ako.
Copy. No. Chill. They're looking shallow. Careful. We just kiting to wait for the gear. Come southwest. Chill. Come southeast.
Mali ba ako or did I see all pa?
Chill. Magic, it's okay. Wala
Okay,
set.
hindi
Load ka na
ko-
lang. Magic, it's okay.
Ping.
Notice. No, it's okay, bro. It's okay. Because he died 3 times. It's okay. But he killed many. So it's okay. Careful south. Careful north. Okay, careful north. Come west.
Loob ng camp.
Panoorin mo ako. Magic sarap.
Regroup first. Come northwest and regroup. Regroup. I think GFI. Chill. Careful west. Keep kiting.
Tuloy na ako.
Carpet.
Pag-agad tierning. Nandiyan agad
And-
kasi sa ano.
Yeah.
Okay,
Kasi
parang
imagine,
ayaw
Yun,
ako
muntik
babad.
pa ako ma-engage dyan eh.
Ako rin.
Pero nandun na sila eh.
Doon pala tol. Kala ko nasa West Kalaban.
Spread now. Check out if you die. Chill.
Ito, wala na akong pagka... Okay, there you go.
Mag-loot kayo ng food. Okay lang yan. Loot lang kayo.
Sa trade me.
Bandar,
Okay,
sabi
okay.
ni Jen, pag-grab ka daw.
Grab, baliw. Pwede talaga yun.
Basti gago. Hindi pala.
Nagmamount at yung Zerg ah.
May pera.
Matap.
Tapos na? Hindi pa.
Matap, di pa. We're just gonna regroup.
Sarap niya, nag-OC lang tayo.
Uy.
Yung OC ko, 30 minutes. 14.
Tagal pa pala eh.
Dami ko na
Ako din,
patay, Otto.
6-7. 6-7.
2, 4, 6, 6.
Good
Grabe
hit,
yung
kaso
flank
di natin
natin.
masusok yun, boy. Nandun yung Zerg
Oo.
sa harap mo eh.
Grabe yung
Umarap yung
flank
bunga sa atin,
natin,
boss.
pre. Grabe talaga, wala akong masabi.
Grabe talaga yung ano ko doon. Grabe.
Oo, narinig,
Soulless
sige.
stream bro.
Grabe.
Wait lang, Mes. Tingnan ko lang, ah.
LC.
Tingnan ko. Soulless
Yan, ah.
stream.
Nag-umalis na ata.
Hindi ko alam, hindi ko alam, hindi ko alam.
Nawala,
The soulless
namatay
stream.
lang ako, nawala yung focus ko doon.
Ho Zoom for
Spectral,
Fire
Potstrolo.
Ano, ba't umat tayo?
I think we re-OC, then one more food. I think we re-OC, then one more food. Yung mga di pa namamatay, yung mga mahaba yung OC. Kailangan mag-re-OC. Ilang timer.
Yung mga immortal. 13 minutes. Uy, namatay ka kanina.
13.
Kasi,
13, yung mga di namatay ka. 13 na lang.
Ang dami nilang clamper, di na bigla pang
Ba't
Ba't pa ba yung
humahaba
23 or ano?
Second OC.
Yeah, okay.
Re-OC na ako.
Yung ano,
Pa ako
ano
ng
ko
heal
kanina,
tool eh.
legit engagement yung sa choke. So, nag-sprint yung Zerg, tapos tatlong clamper, tapos fake pa rin. Ayop na yan.
Pepe, in the area.
okay lang yan, Magic. It's okay. You need to do good.
Speechless si Topi. Speechless si Dope eh.
Pag si Magic, okay lang.
Kaya ka. Pag kami tanga.
Okay talaga.
Totoo naman
Ang
eh.
gagawin natin, Jin, Bisaya ka
Totoo.
talaga.
Kaya ka. Gago ang puta.
Fact check na
Kaya,
fact check.
ayaw niya na rin kasi.
Rivaris! Kaya ganyan yung damage ng gala mo kasi walang stack yung
Nagagalit na
gala mo
galit si
pag
Jess
nag-hit ka,
kanina.
ang baba.
Yung mga
Ah,
brother